enjoy it now. So what up, YouTube? It's your boy Official. We're back with another video. We're outside today, currently at a breakfast run hosted by Gas Automotive. The last video was hosted by him as well. And like, look at this turnout, bro. Like, apparently it's supposed to be like 100 and like something causing to the event. So like, bro, we got the camera out today, so pictures are going to be on the Instagram. If you don't follow the Instagram, it's the official on Instagram. So yeah, guys, like, so crazy, bro. Like, yo,
Gas Automotive, guys, I really appreciate each and every one of you guys for coming today. It's been a really big dream of me, but I'm a bit nervous. So I'm going to start this. So guys, Gas Automotive, my whole plan for Gas Automotive is to be really like a good community of drivers, just to showcase, because I don't really discriminate, or if you have a stance car, or if you have a drag car, or if you have a normal car. I want everyone just to build a community so we can be together. So guys, the next round that will be coming, we'll start doing some charity drives. So we'll just get some donations. I will communicate everything in the group. Right now, we're waiting for about 40 cars coming from Santon, because we have a confirmed number of 150 cars that are coming on this ride. So after this briefing, we're gonna go down to innovations. We're gonna have some free coffee. Then we'll just wait for the rest to come and we'll just go out. I appreciate it, each and every one of you guys. Please enjoy the run, guys. Thank you so much.
update. Everybody's leaving now. We're heading to second location. Another one. So this is just like a pit stop for all the cars. Can you see all the cars? And yeah, so from here we're going to another location. And yeah, yo YouTube, we haven't left as yet and I'm still here at the garage. You hear me? I can't even explain the excitement I have. You hear me? So hard. But like, I appreciate this nigga so damn much for inviting me and giving me this experience, cause yo man, like damn.
Violence is spreading, we cannot stop it. Just la hora Kamba ganja Beach uhamba no ban Mina ngisfonele imali Mina ngisithathele imali Bitch asibona abangani Bitch asibona Mina ngifuna lo mntwana Funa ukuyambona Don't even call me yo little bro I'm turning up
currently outside, boys, getting the final location. So yeah, so we're ready, just waiting for everybody to pull up. So yeah.
Ice with two bad bitches, I said I want you and you. Told her, well, please don't call me bro. Yeah, without boo. I ain't going home, staying on the road. Yeah, tryna get the loot. Life I chose for my faults. Yeah, I ain't gonna lose. I'm so surprised that she wanna jail with me. Yeah, I cannot lie, I been on fire. I cannot blame that bitch. Yeah, see me now, see me no more. I'ma disappear. Hey, ain't fuck these guys, I ain't got fear. Yeah, vision been clear. But I been hard making square. I see 10. Man, look how they stare when I walk through. You do your shit, I don't force you. I run up a check and then run up a check again. It's part 2. I learned my lesson when I was in primary school doing times 2. There's so many problems that I deal with that I don't need to. Look at what I started, I been at the top, looking at the sea view. Alternative, there's no stopping us. Look at what it's costing us. Told her that it's lost, not love. Looking at the stars right above. I be getting closer to the destination, now they follow me. Said she never been with a nigga like me. I'm like, damn, oh please. Man, I caught her shivering like they was winning. That shit say my head can't free. Man, this shit is simple, I'm really gon' win if these niggas hate on me. Got these niggas, I can put them in the bin, cause they don't inspire me. Ain't nobody fine like me. Ain't nobody slide like me. Ice with two bad bitches, I said I want you and you. Told her, well, please don't call me bro. Without boo, I ain't going home, staying on the road. Yeah, tryna get the loot. Life I chose for my faults. Yeah, I ain't gonna lose.
Gents, gotta work hard, ayo. But yeah, we got I think second or third location. Look what's here, boy. Go. Now we gotta work hard, gents. Have to.